So welcome back guys in this JLPT series where you learn about Japanese, and today is our class number 24, and in this class we will learn about Issho means together. So Issho how it is used. So it means together and express doing something with someone. It emphasizes cooperation, companionship and participation in an action. It makes sentences more interactive and inclusive. So when it is shoni used, so used when two or more people perform an action together, commonly used in invitations, suggestions, and daily conversations. So ishoni is used with verbs only and not used with nouns and adjectives. So now let's see some examples of ishoni in past affirmative. So the first one is Issho ni benkyou shimasu, means we study together. Next is Issho ni game wo shimashou. Let's play a game together. Next is Issho ni jimu ni ikimasu, means we go to gym together. Next is Issho ni eiga wo miyou, means let's watch a movie together. Next is Issho ni sanpo shimashou, means let's take a walk together. Next is Issho ni shukudai o shiyou, means let's do your homework together. Next is Issho ni ranchi o tabemasu, means we eat lunch together. The next is Issho ni shashin o torou, means let's take a photo together. Next is Issho ni cafe ni ikimashou, means let's go to the cafe together. Next is Issho ni ryoukou shimayou, means let's go on a trip together. Now let's see present negative sentences. So the structure is Issho ni plus present negative form of verb. The first one is Issho ni terebi o mimashen. We do not watch the TV together. Next is Issho ni hanasanai no, means don't we talk together. Next is Issho ni karaoke ni ikimashen ka, means wouldn't you go to karaoke with me. Next is Issho ni asobanai no, means don't you want to hang out together. Next is Issho ni hiru gohan o tabemasen deshita, means we didn't eat lunch together. Next is Issho ni shigoto o shimasen, means we do not work together. Then next is Issho ni kaimono shinai, means don't you want to go to the shopping together. The next is Issho ni undo shimashen ka, means wouldn't you exercise together with me. The next is Issho ni shouji shinai, don't you want to clean together. Next is Issho ni shigoto o yaranai, means are not we working together. Now let's see past negatives. Now let's see past sentences. Issho ni plus past form of verb. So first is Issho ni toshokan e himashita, means we went to the library together. The next is Issho ni shukudai o yatta, means we did our homework together. The next is Issho ni party o shimashita, means we had a party together. The next is Issho ni game o shitta, means we played a game together, right? The next is Issho ni cafe de kohi o nomimashita, means we drank coffee together at the cafe. The next is 一緒に日本語を勉強しました means we studied Japanese together. The next is 一緒にバスに乗りました means we took the bus together. The next is 一緒に写真を撮った means we took a picture together. Next is 一緒に海で泳ぎました means we swam in the sea together. Next is 一緒に温泉に入ったよ means we spent to the hottest hot spring together. Now let's see past negative sentences. So 一緒に plus past negative form of verb. So first one is 一緒にご飯を食べませんでした means we didn't eat together. Next is 一緒にゲームをしなかった means we didn't play a game together. Next is 一緒に旅行に行きませんでした means we didn't go on a trip together. The next is 一緒に勉強しなかったね means we didn't study together. And the last one is 一緒に歌を歌いませんでした means we didn't sing